Hi again, everybody. It is Tuesday morning, May 30th. Here's the Astro Excel chart. Looking at the week ahead, we've got a little bit of action early in the week here. We started below the minus 10 line at about minus 15. We're in a bullish mode all the way through the day today and peaking out between 4 and 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. Then we've got a push down until the end of the day session tomorrow on the 31st. A little bump up and down into June 1st. And then we get down below the 10 line a little bit. Sideways activity until the end of the day session Thursday. And then we are pushing up through the end of the week into the close on Friday with a strong Astro push forward on 12:20 on Friday. So we've gotten to just about to the 20 line and do get outside the 20 line on Friday. We've got a spike on the blue line here at 12:22 today, a big spike, and then 15:35 another one. And then later in the week, tomorrow on the 31st, about 3 in the afternoon, we've got an important spike, and then one at call that the 2:30 a.m. area on Thursday, June 1st. Later in the day on Thursday, around 14:30, 14:34, another spike, and then the last major spike is 8:30 a.m. Friday morning. So there's a look at the Astro Excel chart for the week ahead.